Yeah, hi Venkat. We are connected now.
Perfect. Okay. So,
Abhishek, can you hear anything?
Yes, I can hear.
what?
Kiran, can you hear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Venkat, please go on.
Right. Okay. So yeah, just I want some feedback directly. I will go to each and every profile. I'll walk through project by project. Just give me the update so that I can do the quick changes here instead of what's happening generally is I have multiple versions in my document because of updates on single thing with resume side. It's taking a lot of time. That's the reason I'm connecting this call to do things all things at once for all the resumes.
All together we cannot do, Venkat. If you can share us these profiles, and we'll let you know what kind of changes have to be done, because each and every time we are going to do is we are going to have three profiles in our hands. So
Okay.
all the profiles should not be submitted to one particular client. So for example, if I am getting 3 profiles and other guy is also getting 3 profiles and the resume is matching with the other 3 guys, so it will be a problem for us.
Right. See, what I'm doing is, can you? I'm sending all the profiles to you on Sunday. Okay. The complete profile set, so that you can put down some feedback. Then what we can do is we can do this call very short thing. What I thought is going to each and every profile. One second. Yeah. So what I thought is I want to walk through each and every profile one by one, do some quick changes, any updates, what I have to do. That's what I planned. But anyway, I'm sending all the profiles to you, Sadat. Okay, all resumes. So if you want to speak, you can unmute and you can speak because there is some disturbance. That's the reason I muted all. Yeah, yeah, you can speak now. All resumes. I'm attaching all resumes.
Yeah, if you can send it to recruiter at CBL. I think one second, one email ID is there. It will be going to each and every recruiter. Sunny is there, and Kiran is there, Raghav is there, Abhishek is there.
Recruiter, that's your email, right, Sadat?
No. This is my email. Sadat at CBL Solution is my email ID.
Oh, recruiting
So,
at CBL Solution.
Yeah, that one.
Okay. All.
And one more thing, Venkat, each and every profile is starting from US itself. So because directly on H1 no one will come without Indian experience. So there should be Indian experience also. Last 2 resumes which you have given to me, like Ibrahim Patnam, Rahul and Satish, both last 2 profiles, last 2 projects were matching.
Okay.
So I already informed you, right? And now Monica profile is missing with these details. Like only state is been mentioned, so that kind of rectifications have to be done.
I've done some fixes for that. Okay, you can see that information. Okay. So I'm adding all profiles. One second. I think you came in a hurry for the meeting. So this is the profile. So I have updated Monica resume. I will show that to you in this call only. What else? Monica, Rahul's one. Yes, you said that you want some experience in India also, right? That we can do some small fix saying putting the Indian companies and putting the Bangalore or Hyderabad as a location. So actually these are US customers. So what I did is I did the customer location of that company in US. I can do that quick changes for Java, at least for Java project and for one Salesforce project. Yeah, Satish. Okay, and change.
So all these 10 profiles are going to come at a time for the marketing?
Yeah, so obviously because they are all done with SN numbers, most of the people are 8 people have SNs in this. So they might start, I mean, at max they are going to start marketing for all the people before this month out, and then the 7 people they are
Okay.
ready to market. Okay,
Uh-huh.
contact people. Okay, and how many people have heard? One, two, three. Um, right. I must be mentioned. So I have done 8. Now I'm going to add 2 more. Is from. So what I'm saying is, if you have any, I thought you have access to all these resumes. I don't know whether you have access to that or not.
No, no,
But
I
I'm
too
saying for the
don't
generation,
have.
right? Um, Sunny, okay. Sunny added here. Do you mean Sunny? Okay, cool.
You can add Vic also because he too will have a copy.
Yeah. Six. Yeah. So these are the 10 resumes. You guys can review it. And again, let's send this email to you. I'll put some comments after this call.
Yeah,
So coming down
sure.
to the So coming down to um, the Monica's resumes, I just updated today only the location names with the city names from the
Mm-hmm.
if I'm opening this record. So you asked me to remove the main role, right? I removed for all the profiles, most of the profiles which I opened. So now you have location like Minneapolis uh, and Phoenix. Okay.
Phoenix, Arizona. Yeah, I gone through that,
Uh,
but
yeah.
there was one more issue over here. All the US experience is been shown over here. No Indian experience is been added,
Century Link.
and it is only
Okay.
7 years profile.
Yeah. So you want me to convert this to in Indian location? The last two, at
Yeah,
least the
because
last.
directly no one will go for on H1, right? 7 years means green card processing have to be done. So in this case, if we'll have 1 or 1.5 year Indian experience also, it will be easy for us to show that H1.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. So means they started working from India and they went on H1. Or some people
Yes.
is okay. Right. We can do that. So I'll think of some other customer name here. Okay.
Yeah.
CenturyLink is having Indian company also. It's available in Bangalore. This company is available. Okay.
Mhm.
So even the Quest Communications also is also Indian company, but they have
Okay.
location. They have headquarters in US. So
Mhm.
what I will do, I will change it to Bangalore location. Okay, to these two projects.
Fine.
And you can say that in between 2009 March and Jan 2010, or after that she came to US in this role
And
or something like that.
one more thing, all the three guys now because I have seen Satish and Rahul and Monica's profile. Uh, Three of them have started from Java, then again they turned to Salesforce.
Yeah.
So in my opinion, I think we have to use some other different language over here. Like if they are starting from Salesforce itself, one or two guys, it will be well and good. Someone Java, someone from other source, so
Yeah.
it will
So
be
what
easy.
I'm
I
saying
hope
is,
so.
2006, 2007, there is no strong Salesforce practice anywhere across the globe. They started growing aggressively from 2010. So even though
Mm,
if you see most people in the Accenture are doing, they started their practice again in 2009, 10, the time with
mhm,
20 people like this. They are again very big experienced people on Java and .NET. So they
mhm,
generally had mostly Java people. They cross train because Java people are on bench. They cross train the people. Everything is same for even coming to Wipro also. They cross train people on Java to Salesforce. Before 2009, means nothing means about Salesforce.com in India, especially.
mhm.
That is the reason I have to pick one other technology. People comes down directly on Salesforce. Yes, there are very few people. So let's do one thing. For some of the profiles, you can even start with Salesforce from starting. Uh, but uh,
No means
but
some other technology also we can use, right? Other than Java
not only
also.
Java, and not only
Okay.
Java, because people prefer Java for developer positions, because if
Yeah,
they
I
have
do
good
believe.
position, because when you see the people who are converting to Salesforce also, the people who have strong experience on Java or any other OOPS concepts on .NET or something like that, they are moving. So some of the profiles have .NET also, not only Java. Java 70% have Java, 30% have the .NET profile, the .NET experience with
Mhm.
them.
Fine. And in this case, one more, Monica asks, if we can do, see the first project where she started is Quest Communication. So it is showing directly senior position. So no one will get senior, right? This kind of questions
Yeah,
will be asked by the vendors. So if we can make it J2E
okay.
developer or somewhat like this, after that second project we can make as senior developer. Then after that, if you want, you can turn it to Salesforce. It will be well and good. I hope so.
Yeah, see, the first project is Java. She worked only for 1 hour. Later on, from 2009 only, she started working on Salesforce administration.
Yeah, but directly
Yeah,
in the subject line, if you see the designation over
yeah,
there,
got it.
it is showing senior J2E developer. So no one will go
Right,
senior in a first project itself.
exactly, exactly. Yeah, right. I changed it. I changed it. Mm. So one more thing. So one thing, I want to create a central repository where some Google Drive is there. So um, it's already there in the system. I will ask Vivek, and I will just share the document to you if after getting approval. So once done, right, if you can also do some quick changes, because these small things, right, you don't need to take ask me, right. You can simply upgrade this and you can save it and you can upload the new version of the
No, because we are
the
not
Google.
aware of the locations and all these things, and what kind of
Okay,
technologies you are going to explain, because you are taking training and you are explaining the resumes, so they are being prepared. Only I can do is, we can do is that we can help for marketing, what kind of questions will be asked and what kind of data will be sharing, so we can help in this process. After that interview part and all this thing, it is coming to you only,
right,
because
right.
they will be going to take proxy or they will attend by themselves, so it is up to them and you.
So can I change the location of quest locations to Bangalore, India?
Yeah, you can, because you should be aware where exactly it is located. I am not
Yes,
having
they are
that
in
knowledge
Bangalore.
where it is been located.
Yeah, no
We
problem.
are
They are in
more
Bangalore.
in marketing, so only we prefer just looking on these profiles. If any rectifications we want, we can do it. Means we can
Yeah.
let you know. So it will be easy. You can have a look and you have an experience on this. You can change it. Minor ones we can do it. No problem.
Yeah, it's good. So the last two projects of Monica is in India now,
Mhm.
and the other project means she came to US might be in between this project or end of this project. Someone sponsored her,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah.
I'm trying to save this, and I will send this latest profile.
Yeah, share it to me and Monica also, the updated profile. It will be well and good
Right,
because she will be aware.
right. I'll do
And
that.
remaining
And
part we will do, no
so,
problem.
should you have any issues with any other profile?
The 10 profiles I have, we have to go through it, because each and every profile we have to thoroughly go, and if any match is going on, so we can just let you know, and
Okay, I thought
hopefully
you have
just,
the access to all these profiles.
no, we don't have anyone. That's why in that mail I requested you to share the profile so that we can just go through it and we can let you know what is the differences to be done.
Oh, okay. Right.
रोल्स वही एंड वन बोलो ना अपनी तरफ से बोलो वेंकट
Yeah.
Yeah, hi Venkat, this is Raghav. Actually, I have gone through 2 to 3 resumes while taking some mock-up calls. Roles were repeating. They were similar in all the resumes.
Yeah. Okay. Means exactly similar, or do you have seen some 30% of change at least?
Okay, actually, I didn't remember the terminology exactly, but what I observed is while calling the 2 to 3 consultants in continuously, I observed that projects are repeating same one after the other, similar kind of projects.
Yes, because
Okay, actually,
yeah.
I will go through them and I will note down the terminology and I will let you know later. But I just wanted to let you know that I found some responsibilities and roles are repeating.
Right. Sure. Yeah. you can just do, because there is a lot of changes in the recent resumes. Okay, so I was changing uh, the latest projects recently for Monica Locuma, because they have the references with Cerebral. That's the reason we modified that as well. You can,
That's fine.
yeah. But I feel that I checked the resumes, that there are only one or two projects which are repeated in all the resumes. Other things are completely plain. So there's only one or two profile matches only in one project again, because
Okay.
if coming down to 10 profiles, 10 into 60,
Okay.
at least six projects are there in each and every, at least six to 5 to 7 projects are there in each and every profile. Means around
Okay.
70 projects we have to put down. So there can be one match, one or two matches right on that. Yeah. So again, if there's the same project also, you need different responsibilities. That's what I figured out, and I used some changes in responsibilities also. You can check it.
Okay. That's
Yeah, if you feel, if there's any simple cosmetic issue or something, yes, you can simply update that, and you can upload the new version of that. So I will talk to Vic and Sunny, and the drive which I will share all the means all these resumes drive to you after confirming with them, so that you guys, if you feel any changes in the last two projects or resume thing, yes, you can also help me out
okay.
on the location wise. You can simply add, because these companies are global companies. They are available even in Bangalore. They are having offshore locations. You can keep Hyderabad, Bangalore offices. Or even though you are working for this customer, you may be working for this customer from a different consulting partner. Or suppose there are some Indian companies, they outsource this project to that company, but you don't represent the company which is in between you and Parasoft, but you're directly representing the customer here. Even though if you're working for some Accenture as a contract, or you will be working for this company inside that outsourcing, I mean, inside that company you're working for this project. In that case, you are keeping only the project. You're not keeping the consulting company between you and the customer.
Okay.
So you can even do the location like this for the last two projects. I will also do the changes and send you one more latest update. So after the
Fine.
weekend, you can see the new resumes. Okay,
Okay.
right? Yeah,
Yeah, so shall we continue right now only, or because 10 profiles we have to undergo, right?
right. No problem. Yeah, you can take some time and just come back. Okay, and yeah, you can keep a detailed mail on a single mail, so that we can do all changes at once instead of changing one by one. I want to do the quick fix for all these resumes. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm getting a lot of confusion, because whenever I'm doing some changes, I have to control, I have to do some version control in my system, right? So this is the master documents. I have a lot of folders like this in my system, which I created around 4 to 5 versions. Again, I'm getting some more means suggestions to update some resumes. That's the reason. So I'm wasting a lot of time I'm wasting a lot of time on this. So I want to do one quick fix before this Monday, so that we can start with one profile. You can start marketing the complete ready profile. You can start marketing from this Monday, at least coming Monday.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Sure.
So let's have a call again, one more call, the same call on Monday afternoon. Means it's like midnight for you, right? If you want to
Yeah,
do
yeah.
Monday, you can first off, before first off also I can do that in the first off, so that it will be evening time for you around
Yeah,
midnight.
afternoon will be better because afternoon we will in the morning itself we will be having lots of calls from vendors. We will be following up and we'll get new requirements. So afternoon will be best time. So we
Right.
can discuss in that one because 10 profiles we have to also go undergo this responsibilities and all these things. If anything
Yeah.
match is with the 10 profiles, so we can rectify and we can change. Means we can jumble the responsibilities over here and there.
Right, and I can tell you some more vendors where you have to focus on, because these guys have requirement. I found that from my research. I was working on that. So you can target some of the customers, like some of the Salesforce customers, like uh, uh, there are Astadia. These people have some requirements on Salesforce positions. I can give some direct contact of the hiring managers. You can connect with them directly.
Okay.
Okay. Sure. I'm closing this call for today. Let's meet.
Yeah. I'm expecting that mail, Venkat. I didn't got
Yeah,
that mail. No one got that
yeah,
mail.
because
Can you?
I haven't sent that. I will do that now.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, sure. I will do that by putting a simple note. Okay. Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you,
Bye.
Venkat. Nice
Bye.
speaking to you. So we'll
Bye.
continue on Monday afternoon.
Bye. Let's have one more call with on Monday. Okay. On this.
Yeah, sure.
And let's close. Let's freeze this stuff. And because if you are having only one profile, so that consultant will not be confused. Okay. Now consultants have a lot of confusion because as we are changing projects, they don't know what to say when vendor is calling them.
Yeah, that is why.